Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to your own channel, Elevate English with Geeta ma'am. As you know, today is the second day of storytelling challenge. So I am going to tell you one story, and the story goes like this. The name of the story is An Elephant and the Crab. Yes, there was an elephant who lived in a forest, and in that forest there flowed one stream, and that stream was full of water. So, mostly, whenever any animal would feel thirsty, so they would come to quench their thirst. So when the elephant was very thirsty, so he also felt that he should go to the stream to drink water. The name of the elephant was Eddie, and the elephant Eddie was very passionate, a great lover of his trunk. Yes, he was proud of his small and beautiful trunk. So one day, when he was just drinking water in the stream, so after taking water, as he was very thirsty, he felt that he should take some rest. So he just lay down under a tree after having some water. So after taking a good nap, when he woke up, so he saw that his beautiful trunk has swollen. Yes, and when he saw that his beautiful trunk has swollen, so he was so afraid and he was so worried that what happened to my beautiful trunk. I can't live without his trunk, and this is really very miserable for me. So he was just thinking like that. At the same time, what whosoever was going through the way, he was just posing him and telling him that just look at my beautiful trunk. It is totally swollen now. It is so ugly now. It is not loving me. It is going to leave me behind. So that time, all the animals began to worried with the worry of elephant. So they were worried about that what would happen with the trunk of that Eddie the elephant. So they thought that we all should do something for him. So what happened? There was one of his friend, and the name of his friend was Dovey Duck. Yes, Dovey Bird. So Dovey was a bird, and he was just flying here and there. So he saw that Eddie was totally upset. He is despair. Huh? So he thought that just I should think about him. So he flew down to the Eddie and said, Eddie, what happened? Why are you so worried? Why are you so sad? So Eddie said that Devi, please see, look at my beautiful trunk. It is totally swollen, and now he is saying that he is not going to live with me. He is just going to apart from me. So that time, Devi Bird says to the Eddie Elephant, "You don't worry. I have a plan. I have a doctor, and the doctor is Vicky Mouse. He lived near the hills. Okay, so I would call a doctor for you." So what happened? Seeing his condition, seeing his miserable condition, Devi Bird just flew in the sky and went to the hill to the Vicky Mouse. Vicky Mouse was a doctor. So he just explained everything to Vicky Mouse that there is my friend Eddie the elephant, and his trunk is totally swollen. You have to go with me to examine him. So what happened? The Vicky Mouse said to the Davy Duck, "You just take my examine box, and I will just go with you." So what happened? That time Davy Duck just hold his examine box in his teeth and flew away to the Eddie elephant. And behind that, Vicky Mouse was also going. Dr. Mouse was also going. So when Dr. Mouse reached to the Eddie the elephant, so he asked Eddie, "What happened? What happened to your trunk?" So he said, the elephant said that nothing happened. I was totally parched. I was feeling thirsty. So I went to have water on the stream, and I took rest, and after that when I woke up I found my trunk that it is totally swollen. So now, what Vicky Mouse did, Vicky Mouse just hold his trunk into his hand and take out some tools out of his box, and you can understand that what tools could be there in a forest. So there were some kind of different twigs. So he just took one twig, one hard and long twig, and just scroll that twig in the nostril of elephant, in the both nostril of elephant. When they just scroll the twig in the nostril of the elephant, he just sneezed too loud. Achoo! As he sneezed, one big red crab came out of his nostril, and he got relieved. And as he just came out, the crab began to scream, "Yes, thank you, Vicky Mouse. Thank you, Vicky Mouse Doctor. You have just saved me. The nose of this bad and strange animal is too bad and too stinky. I was not able to have a proper breath." And at the same time, elephant was saying, "How did you dare to just enter into my nose? And because of you, my beautiful trunk has swollen so much." So all both of them were arguing with each other, but in between both of them felt relaxed because they were free from his problems, free from their problems. So that is the story, and at last he just have a look on his beautiful trunk, and he felt that now his beautiful trunk is not going to leave him at all, and he is going to live with him only. So at the time, at last, he felt that we should always be grateful to our creatures, our neighbors, because they are always helpful to you whenever you are in great difficulty. So the lesson of the story is that we should always believe our neighbors, and we should always take their help whenever we need, and we should repay it from our gratitude. So thank you. I hope that you would love the story. Bye bye. Have a nice day. And next time I'm going to bring one new interesting story for you. Have a good day.